day kids. Today let's learn to draw a sweet little cat. Let's start by drawing a wide U shape. And a little curved line towards the top. Join these 2 points. Okay, now you got the face ready. Draw 2 circles, big ones for its eyes, and 2 dots for its eyeballs. Now a little dot for its nose and its little lips. Okay, draw 2 curved lines. 1, 2 for its legs. Okay. Now its tail. Draw an S shape, somewhat like this. Another one, and slowly join these 2 points. Okay, the cat is ready now. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.